Hi, Denise here from Project Frugal. Tonight we're making homemade pizza, so this is how you do it. Let's go.
We did a quick trip to the supermarket. We've got some drinks, we've got lemonade, we've got cola, we've got some chips, steakhouse chips. These are quite good. They've gone up 30 cents in the last couple of weeks. Thanks a lot, Woolworths. You're a rip-off once again. But you did have relatively cheap tomato paste. We'll go with that. We've got some cranberry sauce, got some more olive oil, got some mushrooms. They weren't super cheap, but they'll do. And for the base, we're going to be using these tortillas. They were reasonably cheap. We're going with that. Checking out the pantry, we got some more ingredients here. What do we got? We've got some squishy tomatoes. Well, they've got to be used, so we might as well use a couple of those. We've also got some pineapple, some nice, juicy, delicious pineapple. I love pineapple on pizza. Who doesn't? More ingredients, some cheese. We've got some ham. What else have we got? Oh, we got some parsley. Yeah, that sounds good. We've got plenty of capsicums. And we've got some spring onions. Can't forget the bacon. We've got some of that. We're going to have to chop that up, but it's frozen at the moment. Denise will deal with that. So she's going to start chopping up all the ingredients. And here we go, we've got 2 pizzas here, ready to go, ready to be cooked. In the meantime, got some chips cooking away in there. Yummy.
This is going to collapse, there's so much on it.
There we go, 2 pizzas and another couple to come. Looks good.